No life like the good life. That's what I like to say. Here we are in the stunningly beautiful Zermatt, Switzerland, with the Matterhorn always looking down on this beautiful city. So we didn't come down here for mountain climbing, so we weren't going to climb up the Matterhorn, although you could, but we were heading up to the Glacier Paradise. So to get up there, first we'll talk about the tickets to get there. It was about $150, $175 right in there, depending on the exchange rate. And just to make it clear, that $150, $75, that's for a full day of all you can ride, so that's not just one ticket. There's a few cable cars included in the price, not just Glacier Paradise, so check it out. The first cable car that you take is about a 5-minute walk from the hotel we stayed at, the Hotel Mountain Paradise. I got a video up about that hotel, check it out. One of the benefits of staying up at this end of town, walking distance to the cable car, and there's a bunch of hiking trails up here too. So the first cable car you take, as you can see, is one of the small ones. It'll seat about 6 people, constantly going around. There's always about 4 or 5 there spinning, so you just jump in, the doors automatically close, and then you go up to Fury and you get on this one that's bigger. This one seats a lot more people and it starts taking you up the mountain. And what a freaking awesome ride this is. So you're literally flying hundreds of feet up in the air, heading up onto the top of the mountain in the beautiful Glacier Paradise. And it is pretty funny because they stop the cable car in the middle of the ride while you're suspended there, looking down, looking all over the place. Great photo opportunity. They do it so you can take pictures. So the wind was really blowing up here and it was a little cold too. But what I was trying to say here is that this is Europe's highest cable car station. So in all of Europe, here we are at the top in the Swiss Alps of the highest cable car station in all of Europe. I know I just said that, but I had to emphasize that point because it's so freaking cool to be up here. And you're talking year-round skiing up here, hiking, mountain climbing. So what's a guy like BFC gonna do while he's up here on the Glacier Paradise? Yeah, make snow angels, because there's no life like the good life. That's what I like to say. So when you're done freezing your ass off out there doing snow angels on the glacier, you go in there, you pay €1, warm up in the bathroom, because all the bathrooms are €1 to get in. And then there's food and drink in here, and you can take an elevator to get up to even a higher point on the peak. So again, absolutely stunning panoramic views of these beautiful, gorgeous, amazing Swiss Alps. Yeah. So even if you don't ski when you come to Zermatt, Switzerland, you're getting up here to the Glacier Paradise and taking in all these beautiful views too in the cable car adventure. And why? Because no life like the good life. That's what I like to say. Yeah. All in all, you're doing 3 cable cars to get up and down from Zermatt to the top of Glacier Paradise. And on the way down at one of the transfer points, you get that beautiful view of the Matterhorn right there. But it's really an adventure, these cable cars. Look how freaking stunning these views are. If you're a little afraid of heights, you're gonna shit yourself a little bit on these cable cars. But I'll tell you what, there's plenty of comfort. Sit down, appreciate the views, appreciate the beauty, and appreciate being alive. Because there's no life like the good life. That's what I like to say. Yeah.